Hi, welcome to the course, The Ultimate Guide to Persian Calligraphy, Nastaliq Script. Nastaliq is the most popular contemporary style among classical Persian calligraphy scripts. It is also known as the bride of the calligraphy scripts due to its elegance and intricacies that you might have witnessed in old masters' miniature paintings and Islamic architecture. But at the same time, it is also technically the most complicated, and courses are mostly found in Persian language. So I decided to create a comprehensive course on Nastaliq script in English language. My name is Muhammad Asif and I'm a Persian calligrapher and graphic designer. I've been practicing calligraphy for more than 10 years and I've also been doing calligraphy for advertising agencies and broadcasting companies during this period. And I'm also creating calligraphic artworks on Shutterstock. In this course, I will be taking you through the whole process of how to script and create your own artworks in Nastaliq script. If you are an art lover and want to learn Persian calligraphy with no art background, or if you are a painter and want to add a flair of calligraphy in your paintings, or if you are a digital artist and want to add an extra skill to create digital calligraphy artworks to sell on graphic stock websites, then this is a perfect course for you. This is a comprehensive course to learn Nastaliq script one nukta at a time. In the first section, I will share all the techniques on how to create your own qalam and prepare your ink for calligraphy and then the basic skeleton of the script, and you will learn how to write each letter properly before using qalam. I will also guide you choosing the best paper to use in calligraphy. In the next two sections, we will start writing each letter using qalam by applying all the rules of scaling and measurement in detail. You will learn how to write each letter in different conditions. In the last section of this course, you will learn how to combine letters and write a complete sentence, and also we will be creating an artwork on a paper which has special intricate floral patterns designed on the border. By the end of this course, you will be able to script and create your own Farsi calligraphic artworks from a paper to a moderate-sized wall art. So let's jump into the course now.